One of the more important achievements of the press comes in the form of environmental benefits. Consistent with Fujifilm's commitment to the environment, the J-Press requires no plate production, no fountain solutions, sprays, or potentially harmful VOC washes, and eliminates the need for most conventional press room solutions used on a typical offset press. And that's just the beginning. The first sheet is up to color, so there is no make-ready waste. All of that means there's less than 2 minutes between jobs. The J-Press 720 also significantly reduces the requirement for water and requires only 2 primary consumables in addition to the water-based ink: cleaning solution for the inkjet print heads and Fujifilm's rapid coagulation primer. Finally, the results of trials carried out by UPM and the International Association of the De-Inking Industry on sheets printed on the J-Press 720 indicate levels of de-inking on par with offset inks and far exceeding that of electrophotographic products, a significant milestone. The J-Press helps commercial printers sustain their businesses while also protecting the environment.